This is gonna sound better. This is better. Sorry, my bad. Good call, Lips. Good call. I should be good now, though. I should be good now. About to get started for the trading day. I'm really excited for today's trading day. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's do it. Let's do it. This is gonna sound better. All right, everybody should be able to hear me loud and clear now. It should be good to go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Okay, I'll restart this. All right, you guys should definitely be able to hear me. There should not be anybody that cannot hear me. Put a 1 in the chat if y'all can hear me loud and clear. 1 in the chat if y'all can hear me loud and clear. Let's get it. Yeah, Stuck, you said you couldn't hear me, so I restarted it because I figured that if you couldn't, probably a lot of people couldn't, because I wasn't hearing anybody's call, or I wasn't hearing anybody respond, so. Let's get it, team. Look, we have this falling wedge here. I really think we can see upside today if SPY can get above that. Now, if we do, we end up staying below this 680 level. SPY will be pretty much in trouble. Yeah, I want the music on or off. Let me know in the chat, on or off. It's just some saxophone background. All right, I'll turn it off. Turn it off. All right, there we go. It's off. Project X not working. Yeah, that's why I'm using Trade-O-Vate. Trade-O-Vate's the move. Trade-O-Vate is the move. You guys have to... the music's off now, guys. The music's not on anymore. You have to... It's why I don't like using Project X anymore. Is because of that reason. Like, the shit just doesn't work, bro. Like, why does things just not work? Damn, you're already taking trades, XFY? There you go. There you go.
Good morning, guys.
What up? What up, Alex?
Yeah, Top Step is frozen, guys. So, or Project X. So there's that.
Weirdest duo? That's funny. Little do you know, this is the best duo.
No one else is coming in?
Duo. Call us the DD. Disciplined duo.
Oh yeah, these Top Step is like completely frozen, guys. Wow.
Yo, since Top Step's frozen and all of y'all are seeing us seeing Top Step shitting the bed, go to lucidtrading.com right now. Go over to get started and go grab one of your Lucid Pros, Lucid Flex, or Lucid Directs right now and use code CHAMP for almost half off. I am doing a giveaway. It's actually going to be not this week, but next week after Christmas. We're doing a $1,000 giveaway to two people. So $500 a piece to 2 people who use my code CHAMP. $500 each. And I might even throw in an account or something in there for you guys just to do it. So if you guys do want access to that, I know that some of y'all are new in here. If you're new in here and you want to learn how to trade funded accounts, you can actually go to my YouTube channel. And you can check that out yourself. Let me actually make this a little wider. You can go to YouTube or here in the Discord, and you can go check out our videos and go see that I have a ton of videos. How to connect Trade-O-Vate to TradingView, my orb strategy and how to trade with prop firms step-by-step guide. So this video right here, I'm putting it in the chat. If you want to learn how to trade prop firms, this is the move right here. And then after you watch this video, you're going to want to go back and you're going to want to watch this video, because in the first video, I teach you how to connect it to Project X, but this is actually going to be how to connect it to TradingView, which is what you want to do. So I don't want to do that. Let's do get shareable link. There you go. So both of these videos are here. You have your prop firm guide, and then you have a tutorial on how to connect Tradeovate to TradingView. My next video is going to be how to copy trade multiple accounts on Tradeovate. Again, use code CHAMP on all accounts. Lucid Pro, Lucid Flex, Lucid Direct. Use code CHAMP, you get almost half off. Also, I want to let you guys know I'm doing a onboarding class today. So if you guys want to, why did my light turn off? If you guys want to learn how to navigate the Discord, use it to the best of your advantage, today I'm doing an onboarding class at 2 or 3 p.m. Eastern, so beginning of power hour, 2 or 3 p.m. Eastern. (2 p.m. Eastern). I know some people in here are new and we're asking about, getting access to the Discord, how it works, how to use it. That's what you'll learn today at 3 p.m. Eastern if you join the onboarding call. Right now we have Wave showing calls heading higher here. Puts also starting to head up a little bit.
Yep, it's looking pretty good for upside, honestly.
Yeah.
Got a little dip, little pullback pre-market. Got a big push. I don't know what that was. Was that news? It looks like it was news at 8:30.
Yeah,
Yeah, 8:30 each. Okay, let's see what that was.
We have news at 9:45 here. It's gonna be pretty large news, so we're gonna see. We're gonna try to play a good reaction there. Do you only use the 15-minute chart? No. So a lot of things that you guys can learn about if you want to learn my strategy is in this education section right here. But all of my strategies are right here, Shawnee. So if you want to learn how I trade and the way I go about it, every single day I don't take a trade until the first 15-minute candle is closed. Once the first 15-minute candle is closed, I'm either looking for my W orb entry model or my inverse orb entry model. Both of those can be taught inside of the education section if you want to go in there and learn it. I would love some inverse orb. Me too, Maya. I would love some inverse orb.
We're already pushing. We are already pushing. Is my thing frozen? You guys hear me?
I can hear you.
Oh, there's something wrong with my TradingView chart now.
That's weird. What's it doing? Just like for it not working?
It looks like MES is going up and SPY is not really doing anything. Unless I'm tripping.
Yeah, that's weird. My ES is working.
No, it's working. I don't know what the heck's going on.
Well, actually, oh yeah, it's working. I was looking at NQ. NQ's got a bigger. It's still NQ's stronger this morning.
It's just weird looking. Look at MES compared to SPY right now. MES is this last 5-minute candle is green, and on SPY it's red.
I have the exact same on mine.
Never seen that before.
Mine's the exact same, Alex. I think something's wrong on y'all. Whoever's had that issue, I think it's y'all's in, because I have SPY 5-minute. It's showing the exact same candle as ES.
Yeah, it's. All right, what the heck is going on here?
Mine's fine, but lots of chatter in Discord. What are you talking about? Lots of chatter on Discord.
Oh, on Top Step?
Oh, on Top
Yeah,
Step.
I just looked at the Top Step Discord. It's going crazy.
I thought he meant a lot of chatter in here. I was like, where, dude? I want to. What's going on?
Yeah, he's talking about the Top Step Discord.
Yeah, guys, Top Step is having issues. Lucid trading, baby. They've been shitting the bed so much, guys. Like, so much. It's actually embarrassing, honestly.
Yeah, this one's bad. It's like
Look at the
completely
top
frozen. I
of
just
Discord.
tried to. I hear myself talking. Who is that? Is that you, champ?
Yeah, that was my fault. I accidentally unmuted the stream.
Oh, you're good. Yeah, I tried it on a practice account on Top Step, and it's completely frozen because I heard everyone was tripping out.
Yeah, I don't get it, bro. I don't know why it's like that.
Well, another one of these days, NQ's going up and ES is going down.
Yeah, it's been. Oh, look at that dump. Look at that dump, guys. Look at that dump.
They usually do King Day, yeah. What will happen is hopefully that they'll announce that all the negative trades will be reversed, and then if you message them, they'll likely give you a free reset. But hopefully, I mean, nothing's guaranteed, obviously, for the reverse trade things. But yeah, yeah, it's messed up, Joker. It's really messed up.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Waiting patiently, guys. We got 3 more minutes until these news comes out. Once we get that news, we're gonna try to take a trade pretty shortly before or right after it. I mean, I almost said before. We ain't taking a trade before the news, but
Wave is bullish right now, so
yeah.
maybe we'll hit these pre-market lows and then bounce. We got pre-market lows around 678-ish, a little bit lower on SPY. Looks like Tradeovate is the move today. To log into that.
Dude, ever since that day that I don't know if y'all remember, but there was a day where it was kind of recent where everybody was taking trades and like it wasn't working at all, but people were able to take trades. They couldn't get out of trades. That is what's thrown me off since ever since that's happened. I've been thrown off from Top Step completely, or just Project X in general.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, day before Thanksgiving. That's right. Tesla's looking good this morning too. Got about 1 more minute until our 15-minute closes.
Yo, if you guys want any entertainment, the Top Step Discord is going crazy right now. Oh my goodness.
Let's get it. We got about 30 more seconds, 20 more seconds till news comes out here. Yeah, I bet the Top Step Discord is going absolutely wild right now. What pair are we trading? We're trading ES and NQ.
What do we have this morning? Oh, we have S&P Services and Manufacturing PMI, looks like. Yep, 2 seconds.
About to see a move, real move here, I think.
Bro, XFY, what the heck?
Call flow's still heading up here. I might take a long if we get that inverse orb.
Yeah, we're getting close to that pre-market low. I'm liking it if we get a bounce there.
Is that 68.46, 75? Or yeah, 68.46, 75.
The lows?
The pre-market
Oh, on
lows, or is
ES is
it
what you're
down
talking
to?
about.
No, it's down to 68.33, huh?
68.40, 68.46 ish. It looks like.
Yeah, I got 68.46.75.
Yep, that's the low there. That's pre-market low on SPY as well.
Got you, got you, got you. I don't have my indicator on, so I'm just literally taking a guess off the last low I saw.
Yeah, technically that's London low as well.
Right now, guys,
We're
I'm looking
almost
for
there.
inverse orb. If we can get back into the opening range now, that's what I'm looking for. Reclaim of the opening range, and I'm going to take inverse orb for longs.
There you go. We got the mounts off of it.
All right, we just got filled into our long position. Actually, here we just got refilled. I'm looking for this top of the orb as my. I only have one ES here. I bought one mini actually. I'm gonna put my limit order at the top of the opening range there, and we're gonna wait for a little bit under low a day as my stop. So
Actually, take that with you. I like that bounce off London. Oh my goodness, look
oh
at
my
that
god,
bounce.
oh my
Look at
god,
that thing. Sheesh.
let's get
That's
it. Let's
beautiful
go.
right
We're already
there.
at first price target. There we go. I mean, that's insane,
Wow.
dude. We're moving our stop loss up to
Wow.
break even now.
I couldn't even get filled there.
Holy shit.
That was beautiful.
That's insane, bro. Let's go. Let's
Holy
go hit price
crap.
target right now. Let's go do it.
Look at
Stop
that
loss has
thing,
moved to
guys.
break even already, guys. Stop loss moved to break even.
Man, I couldn't even get in that. I had to market order it.
That was insane.
That was beautiful.
I didn't even market it either. I market ordered it. I literally got like the literal bottom there. That was beautiful, guys. Let's go. Let's go at the top of that opening range.
Yeah, that was the fastest freaking move up right there. That was all played out too. We are talking about it. Locked it through. Pre-market lows.
Might
Well,
move my
now
stops
that
up to
thing
that
bounced up.
control point, guys. I move that to my control point.
Yeah, at this point, that should go all the way up to that wick now. That 530 wick.
I mean, that 2-minute candle is literally huge. Let's go. Just need a little
caught
higher
that
here,
in there?
guys. A little higher here.
Who caught it? It's freaking nice.
If we don't hold our control point, I will get out. But I like the call flow heading higher. I do like call flow heading higher here.
Yeah, on Top Step, guys, you can't trade it. You could have only caught that if you either traded options or on Tradeovate. Project X is not working on any of my things right now, so. Works on Lucid? Wait, no way. Project X is working on Lucid? Hold on, let me try. Oh, it is working. You're right. I mean, sweet. Why is it not working on Top Step X then?
Top Step's just shit, dude.
Yeah, it's working on Project X.
Guys, if we don't hold our control point, I will get out. Oh, what just happened? My screen went black. Okay, we're good. I thought you took one micro. No, I said I took one mini, bro. I'm on ES. You can see the top left of my screen.
You're gonna throw top step 6 feet under. Holy crap, Jack! Nice, dude.
Let's go at the top of the orb. Let's go. We're almost there. There we go. TP hit. There we go. Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Beautiful.
Let's go. Yo, W's in chat. Let's go. Let me see some W's in chat, guys. I know that a lot of y'all can't take it because Top Step's ass, but we ain't on Top Step. So let me see them W's in chat. Let's go.
Look at this thing go, man. Yeah, I'd be
Let's
targeting that
go.
Wick high
W's
now
in
at
chat. Let's go. Who made money
This-
today? Let me see it.
68.91.
W spam. Let's go. 236 people in live. Caught the absolute bottom. Let's get it. Good job, team. Love to see it. Love to
That's a
see it.
quick work
Inverse
day right
orb
there.
strikes once again, guys. Inverse orb strikes once again. I mean, absolutely beautiful, man. That was amazing. Absolutely beautiful. Missed out due to Project X. Yeah, Project X is some buns, man. I mean, that's the easiest one and done ever, guys. Easiest one and done ever. Let's go.
Yeah, that was freaking beautiful. That was fast too.
It was so fast. I
love
don't
those
even know if
days.
anybody could have all got in. I mean, if you trade the strategy, you know you could have got in. But if you don't trade the strategy, then it would have been a little hard to get in. Usually they don't run that fast, guys. I mean, that's not normal. But
We did talk about it way before, so you guys should have been ready.
facts. I was saying it the entire time.
Yeah, talking about that pre-market low bounce and everything, and the reclaim of the opening range too. So wave bullish, looking pretty good. I'd like to see that high still, but make sure you guys are managing your positions too.
Definitely. Oh, that was beautiful.
Is Britt out of town, champ?
Yeah, he's at the ranch with his family.
Gotcha. I cannot hear you, Oakley. Are you in here? Oh yeah, Oakley's in here. Yeah, your mic's not working, brother.
Let's go. That was huge, man. That was huge. Top Step was delayed, so you got out at the peak of the chart. You were just watching my chart and not yours. That's funny. That's funny. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that, guys. I mean, absolutely beautiful. Look, all I'm saying, I know that you guys are upset because a lot of people had Top Step X issues and all of this, but I told you guys literally 20 minutes ago that Lucid X or Lucid is the way to go. You don't have to worry about all that bullshit on Top Step. And then I told you guys before we even had the 15-minute candle close that I'm looking for longs if we can inverse this orb, and we did that perfectly. So yes, I know there's issues on some of these charts and everything's not the easiest right now with some of these platforms, but you got to be able to fend for yourself as well.
sure. There's Brett. What's up, Brett?
Yes, sir.
What's GC looking like? Oh, it's mooning too. Sheesh.
Still going to go higher here. Call flow is still rising. Honestly, you could probably scalp this little long here if you wanted to. I don't love it, but just off this high and target those pre-market highs, you could do that too if you wanted, but it's a little more risky if you do that. You have to have a wider stop loss, like a control point stop loss. I also do like an entry at the control point too if you guys want to take longs at the control point. I would wait for a 15-minute candle close above the opening range for more confirmation first, though. Now, I'm not taking any of these unless we get that 15-minute confirmation above, but I do think that these are setups that you could be taking potentially to try and take advantage of this market or even pass an account.
You still in runner's stamp or are you all out?
No, I just took one ES actually. I only took I wanted to take two, but like as soon as I set my limit order, it already filled like right after I set it, so I didn't even get a chance to add an extra limit order. But
Oh yeah.
I meant to have two on there, but I only added one. It is what it is, though.
I'd be targeting those highs now.
Yeah, I think we're gonna go sweep those pre-market highs for sure. You're talking about like 68.92.
68.92, yeah. 68.91.50.
Yeah, I had 68.91.25, so like right there, same spot.
Yeah, make sure you guys are rolling your contracts over because the Z contracts will be expiring on Friday. So if you're on Tradeovate, especially roll those over to the H contracts on MES and ES and NQ. You can start on it right now, Iconic. It'd probably be better if you started on it right now because volume will die down significantly on Friday.
One ES contract, I believe, is $50 per point. So you're looking at like $12.50 per tick. If you're talking about the price of a futures contract, I mean, it all depends on your broker because every broker, you're going to have to use margin, of course, because, you're not going to be able to buy the entire futures contract. But like, let's just say ES is at $5,000. Let me use a calculator here. If ES is at $5,000 and you multiply it by 50, $250,000 per ES technically, but like you're not gonna spend $250,000. It's just notional value. You're gonna get margin on it. Yeah, per tick is $12.50 per tick. Per point's $50. 4 ticks per point.
NQ is absolutely ripping. It just broke those highs. ES is not there yet.
Yeah, I think we're all continuing. I think ES is gonna go take out these highs, guys, at 68.91.25. That's my thought process. I'm not holding anything right now, but that's just what I'm looking at if I was to be in a position right now.
We don't really have any upper GX levels, which is unfortunate for more confluence, but just by price action, going off price action, you can target those highs.
We got a 15-minute close above the opening range. You guys could technically, like, we're validated for long, especially if we push down to this control point. Yeah, I don't know if I'll take it, but made $50 on SPY. There you go. Yeah, we don't have any upper Gex levels except 688 and 692, but that's far from here.
Those are babies.
Yeah, and they're
small.
also not large at all. Our biggest Gex level is actually 670 on SPY on what's it called on Flotopia. That is not true. Matthew, one ES futures contract at $5,000 a share would be $250,000 in notional value. You don't need the full $250,000 to trade it, obviously, but that's why it's notional value. A little bit of a dump here on that 5 minute. I think we retrace and go higher though. We'll see. I might take longs at the control point if I like the bounce. Call flow is trying to top out here, but I think if we can see a nice bounce off our control point and call flow can get a little bit of a more of a push, I think we can go higher, and I would like to maybe find a position there.
And we're right back in that choppy range again from pre-market.
Yeah. Jay, you don't know how to trade options? Wait, Jay, what are you trading then?
This thing went all the way back down. Holy
You don't even have your alerts activated, Jay. Futures? I would stick to futures, bro. I wouldn't dabble into options if you're already enjoying futures, especially if you're trying to day trade.
Tops up is now Temu step.
Yeah, I think you could take a long entry here, guys, on ES, honestly, or MES. I'm not going to MES, so I don't go crazy here. Let me look at this.
Jeez, I thought this was going to hold 680 on SPY. It's just, oh, it bounced. I might take an entry here, actually.
Yeah, I think I'm going to take an entry on MES, and I'm going to give it a shot. We're already up a little over 1,000 on the day. I think I want to take an entry here and just put my stop loss here. I think I'm going to buy 5 minis or 5 micros. Sorry. Okay, well we're just heading up here.
Yeah, I'm going to take it too. I think at 6868.
Yeah, I'm going to put a limit order here.
I'm going to try this back to the range. I'm going to target the 6880 on ES for a trim.
Yeah, if we can get like right here back at 68.64, I'll look to take longs. We got to get a little lower though, dang. Little lower here and I'll be in my longs.
Okay. I will be right back, guys.
Oh, we almost filled. Wait, usually this lets me give my put my take profit and stop loss on the limits. I don't know why it's not letting me right now. Did I do something wrong, guys? I'm having a brain fart. Oh, I have to add my order, don't I? That's what it has to be. It has to be add your order. Oh man, we're not gonna get our entry here, are we? We're not gonna get our entry here, are we, guys? That's annoying. There we go. All right, order is placed here, guys. Order is placed. We're gonna be right on the control point. 5 MES. We're risking 293 to make 793. Worst case scenario, or no, sorry, not 793. We're gonna do 718. Worst case scenario, we lose 293 bucks and we're still green on the day. Best case scenario, we'll be up like 1,500 on the day if we end up hitting this trade. I'm not in though because we haven't tapped that control point yet. But if we can tap that control point, I'll be in. Did anybody get in there and without me? Did anybody get in? Is ES like SPY? So ES is just the futures of the SP 500. So it's literally the exact same thing, basically. Oh man, guys, this is pain. Oh, this is pain, man. Come on, dude. We were so close. We were literally fucking. What is that? That's a point and a half off of filling? Take, guys, move your stop loss to break even if you're in. Shit. That's frustrating. That is frustrating. Oh, wow. Did you guys enter, though? Let me know in the chat. Put a W in the chat if you guys entered. Let me know. Yeah, I'm probably just going to cancel the order now. That's unfortunate, guys. Unfortunate. But, I mean, we're still up big on the day. But, yeah, guys, I'm aware that Top Step's not working. I've been telling y'all to get off Top Step for a long time now. Man. It is what it is. We almost got an entry. Actually, when I created that order, it actually screwed me up because we would have entered on this wick. That was our exact entry. But when I created the order, it put it at the control point instead. So, unfortunate. Let's go out the office. That's a huge play. Huge play. Let's go. The YouTube chat is crushing it. Yeah, someone said, should I sell? I mean, you don't have to sell if you don't want to, but I would say it's a good profit-taking spot. I mean, we've already moved up about 10 points here on ES.
Hey, so. That's something to come back to. Look at that,
bro.
guys.
Alex, bro. I was a point and a half off my entry, dude.
Yeah, I missed your first one, but I just got in on that one. On
Let's
that
go.
Huge pump up.
Let's
so that's
go.
good.
Let's go. Yeah, that was
Anyone
unfortunate.
take that entry with me? It was a little bit. The prices are so weird, guys, with the new contracts. So just be careful. But yeah, we caught the. Oh, it's coming back down now. Goodness.
Yeah, I moved my order out the way at this point because we already hit our first price target. But dang, dude, that was close entry, guys. I would have actually entered if I wouldn't have modified my order to adjust stop loss and take profit. But
yeah, everything's all messed up, Zach, today. That was a banger.
bro, Lips, look in chat.
Where?
In the live stream chat. Look at how close, bro.
5 minute. Yeah, look at that wick.
Oh.
Yeah. I mean, it's back down again.
Yeah, but we just rejected and made a lower high. Now I don't like it like I did before. I would like it if we continued, but I don't know if I like it now. Because we already hit our first price target anyways, which would be the high of the opening range.
Yeah.
See you tomorrow. I'll be going through your videos tonight. Thank you. Have a nice day. Shawnee, yeah, no problem. If you have any questions, Shawnee, let me know and I'll answer them for you, all right? Accidentally bought one micro first trade. Still blessed. You're good, bro.
Hey, that's a good trade still.
Yeah, I mean, this is probably still going to work for longs too. I'm not entering, guys. I'm not entering this time, but this is looking good once again. I want you to mentor me come January. I will be opening up top floor spots hopefully in January. So it is expensive though. Beware. It is expensive.
Data is still very, very bullish, guys, across the board. Oops, what the heck just happened? Top subs back up? Okay, nice. Oh, that's what I like to hear, Danny. That's hilarious, bro.
All right, I finally just got home. What's
What
going on,
up,
chat?
man?
Good morning, y'all.
Sorry,
Hey,
hey, man. Me and Libs already took care of it, bro. We already caught bangers, you know.
Oh man,
I'm just kidding, bro. We need you to come in here and make it even better. You know what I'm saying?
what you guys get into? I love to hear that.
I took longs. I took
Longs,
longs on the
man.
very literally low of day to day. I took longs.
Oh wow,
Got all out
W
basically at high
move.
day, but then I tried to re-enter longs on that 10:0
Okay.
at that 10:04 candle, but I was about one. You can see if I just put it in chat, you can see I was like a
Hey, yes.
point and a
Oh
half
wow, you
away. So
almost
it is what it is.
did it edge you up?
Yeah, gave me blue balls, son. This is awful.
That's crazy. What up, Zach? What's going on, guys? How's everybody doing?
Calls
Julio,
just
what up, baby?
calls did drop. Look at that. Did you see that, Alex?
Yeah, calls dumped, yeah. I'm surprised we're not hitting that pre-market high. I mean, we still have time, obviously, but with the moves that we've been having, the volume, it's just it's still like flat on the day.
Yeah, I think if this 15-minute that's gonna close in 2 minute, it goes back below 609.70, gonna flip bearish.
Yeah, I
it's
might.
gotta hold
If we
here
go
for
back to
sure.
the opening range high, I might take shorts if call flow is going to keep dumping.
Yeah, the 15-minute doesn't look too great, but the 5 is even worse. So let's see. Danny, we'll try and see what the market offers, fam. We'll try.
Oakley, are you in here? No, he's not. Never mind.
Tesla is going today. Wow. Back towards higher day from yesterday. Yeah, SPY and Qs both look pretty ugly, dude. SPY is already breaking yesterday's lows. I'm gonna actually look at SPY more than Qs on. Let's see. All right. What's the flow look like?
It's just slightly bullish, nothing crazy.
Yeah, I mean, calls just had a
Watching.
huge drop. So like calls went from 60 to 50 million down to 20 million.
Yeah.
That was me. That was me selling my options.
Bulls have to hold this here. If you guys are still in that position, they have to hold this level right here. We just bounce right off of it. So
Yeah, this is my control point too. If we're going to see higher, we got to bounce here. Took shorts at 680. There you go. Good trade, Jesse.
if we break that low that we just hit, we should see pre-market or low a day again. Just bounce off of 679 on the penny.
Yeah, I'm watching this
Good bounce.
679 flat on SPY actually. If we break below it on a 5 minute, I'll look into puts. If we hold it, then I'll look for the continuation.
Yep.
I'll tell you what
I
I'm
like
doing,
that.
guys. If you want to hear my plan, I am waiting for ES to get back up to the top of this level here and try to take shorts here. if we that's going to be an A+ setup if we do that. That's the only thing I'm probably going to take. I'm not going to look to try and chase this move down because I think we go lower here now that call flows went down, but I'm not taking it until we see the inverse orb setup.
Kev, looking at SPY actually because it's more weaker than Q's. Q's is relatively a little bit stronger, but I'm looking at how SPY's losing this level right here, 679 flat. It's basically yesterday's lows. It's also Friday's lows, so I think this is gonna play a huge level for us.
No, it's not secret sauce, bro. All my you can learn my entire strategy on YouTube for free. Just go to my YouTube channel and look at my recent videos, and you can learn my entire orb strategy for free. It's orb, but it's the opposite of how most retail traders trade orb.
If this 5-minute actually closes, I'll look for the pullback and I'll grab puts. Like actually, as long as we don't hit the low of day just yet.
We are looking good for downside if anybody's in shorts at all, just off the flow. Something I want to indicate too, guys, I don't go off, and I know like Brit likes to go off of which one's ahead, like calls or puts, but I don't. I like to go off which one is dropping or rising. And like obviously I still go off which one's ahead, but like puts can, like right now calls are ahead, but this is not bullish to me. Like if we just saw a 30 million, $40 million drop in put or calls. So Tarun, I've talked about coin this week a lot. I am not as confident at all now that coin's getting crushed. We just need a really big move in the beginning of January, or we're gonna lose a pretty big trade, unfortunately.
Kev, looking at the 679s or 678s, 0 days on SPY is what I have in mind. We'll see. Yeah, this looks pretty bad for downside. Or I mean, pretty good. What am I saying?
Pretty bad. I was like, wait, what?
He's just trying to lose that low as well too. Ooh, IWM looks even better.
Guys, if you don't have alerts activated, go activate your alerts. I'm putting it in chat right now. You need to go activate your alerts if you do not have them activated. Man, never got the inverse orb set up, but we were just heading lower here.
Yeah, that was a really good. It broke that level straight to the low a day on SPY.
Yeah, that was our control point too. Like all lined up perfectly. That level was pretty A+ for that.
And there's 678. Just got a little wick off that.
Dude, 670 Gex, Alex?
I think,
Could you imagine?
yeah, I really think that this is going to go lower now. Now that we didn't hit those highs,
Yeah.
and we broke that little level there, I think this is going to go lower now.
I'm actually 100% agreeing with Alex right now. I think that this is very bearish.
Especially check out all these Gex levels on Photopia, guys. We got 677 next, 675, 674.
Yep.
It's a lot of them. And that matches up with Trading Ticks too. 674 is the largest one.
Yeah, I'd be targeting 674, and then if like, you know, if we just get really lucky, you can target 670. Appreciate it, bro. You just got me $750 for free. Definitely checking it out. Go check it out, bro. We're up over $1,000 on the day off one trade. So if you made $750, definitely worth it.
Gosh dang it, Kevin. It's too early for those jokes, bro.
That's crazy.
Oh, man.
All right, I think this might be worth a shot for puts. I don't like how we're like putting an equal low here, but if we get a retracement towards 679, guys, I'll be more more than happy to try it out.
Yeah, I like that. This could just completely flush this level though. There's not much support at 678, so
Yeah, I'm just a little bit worried that they can use this as intraday low, bounces back up.
yeah, I mean we bounced off of it twice already, pre-market and then just now, but this is the third time it's testing it, so
Yep.
or fourth technically.
Thing is it's because I'm looking at Qs and it's like kind of holding up a little bit.
$1,500 done for the day. Kenzo, you're about to get that payout before Christmas. Look, Kenzo, the goal tomorrow should be just to get that $200 or $150 win. How about that? That should be the goal for tomorrow. Because you just need one more. You just need one more winning day for a payout, right? Right, Kenzo. Let's go tomorrow. Let's just go for a small win, Kenzo. Nothing weird, nothing crazy. Let's get that payout before Christmas.
Let's go.
By the way, Kenzo's a top floor student. I've been monitoring Kenzo basically all throughout the week, trying to monitor this payout he's trying to get, and I'm really excited for him. Man, let's go. That was awesome, dude. Everything has been so good this morning. We're just chopping in this range right now. I think I need that top floor. Stuck. There's only been one person in top floor that has said it's not worth it, and that was after they posted like gains for a month straight and randomly wanted to say that it wasn't worth it. So I had one guy who literally I have screenshots and he went and deleted every single thing inside of his in the Discord. But I have screenshots of him posting about how much the top floor is worth it.
There you go, guys. We're flushing that level.
Yeah, we are. Yeah,
Good.
Tyler, if you were here this morning, I told everybody like we just got to stay away from Top Step. That's why that's why I don't trade on Top Step anymore, really.
Yeah, I'd really be targeting 674 now for the daily target on SPY. To weigh the crap down there. Check this out, guys. There's like no support. Maybe the little bit of support at 675 looks like, but other than that, I mean, I think we'll go straight to 675 and then maybe have a little bit of support there. On the hourly, that's where we pivoted a lot. Mark that out on our chart here.
I don't like how this is sweeping the low and Qs is not. It gives me like iffy feelings.
Let me go look at Qs. I haven't even looked at it. Let's see.
Holding up the low.
Is it?
Putting a higher low instead of lows.
Oh, yep, I see that.
That's the only thing that's holding me from like actually.
Yeah, Stuck. The thing is, people don't want to spend $5,000 on learning an income skill from somebody that shows that they do it every single day live in front of you, like with proof. But they'll go spend $5,000 on a college degree. They'll spend way more than that is what I mean. Not only $5,000, they'll spend $20, $30, $40, even $100,000 on a college degree. And not saying a degree is bad, but you don't know what you're getting into. You don't know, if the people who are actually teaching even know what they're talking about or are the best at what they do. You have no idea. There's no actual proof in the pudding other than people graduating. But, I mean, if graduating was the accomplishment, then, I mean, I could have everybody graduate the top floor, The accomplishment here is actually making money and getting payouts. That's the accomplishment. Can't do that shit in college. No, I get it, Stuck. You're right. When I was, so fun fact, when I was just starting to make money at 18, so I made my first $100,000 at 19 years old. And I remember having all my buddies from high school. I was still hanging out with my buddies from high school a lot because we just graduated. And I had to remove myself from that group because I could see I was spending every dollar I had on straight up just like going for entertainment, like entertainment purposes. So I didn't like just stop being friends with them. I just had to get myself away from that lifestyle. And, now I have not everything that I want. Obviously, I want a lot more, but I'm at a very good place at my age. Paranoia said, I have a question. How do you deal with the taxes? I do just like everybody else. So the good thing about the way I do taxes, though, is I have this Discord that also makes me money, so I can write off more than just what a trader can write off. So it's a little more convenient. I'm also a real estate agent. I have a real estate license, so I can also write off a lot of stuff on that end too. So I have a lot of benefits with taxes at my age. Yeah, I use an LLC. I don't use an
This thing is
LLC for my prop
mine.
firms though. I just use my personal, but that's because I haven't made enough off prop firms to. I mean, I have made enough off prop firms to do it. I just have been too lazy to do it. Matthew, what a trade, dude. Let's go.
Yeah, this thing is flying down, guys. If you guys gotten those shorts, you're banking right now.
Bro.
Stuck. The mentorship's never been 2K. I do have a mentorship available. That's 2,500, but it's not a one-on-one mentorship. It's more of a group mentorship.
I didn't get in those either, I mean.
Yeah, I'm trying to get
Those are
higher
good
before I
trades,
get
too.
in them. Honestly, guys, if you want to know what I want to do, we don't have a pullback yet, so
You can wait for a retest of the opening range, technically.
yeah, that's what I'm looking for. I want to see the control point
Yeah.
retest.
That's what I would like to.
I know I keep yapping about it, guys, but also I will say this: like, I trade the same strategy every single day. So like, we have people in here that I even see are in HR, and they'll leave HR just if my strategy presents itself, just to like see if I'm entering or not. So the good thing about the way I trade is it's not just guessing and gut feeling; it's actually systematic. Like, it's the same setup every day. Nothing's different. Combine Combustor said 2 1K days on my first ever funded. You guys are the goats. Let's go, man. Congratulations.
Beautiful, Chris. Look at that, man. Up 855 bucks. Did anyone catch those shorts? I know I didn't take anything here, but who went with the plan and caught that? I know Matthew did. Beautiful, Matthew.
I feel like yesterday too, like a lot of people were upset because there was no trades taken. At least like I think A Main took one, but we kind of like we didn't ever get an entry. But it just proves you don't have to take a trade every single day. Completely, just comes down to your system and your actual strategy.
Dude, Top Step is still bugging, guys? No way. It's working on my Project X. I think.
Give it a shot. Go long. No, I'm just kidding.
We just hit Asia low, it looks like, on MES. I think that's Asia low. Yeah, we hit Asia low on MES on the tick. Unless my chart's all messed up. Anyone back me up on that right here? Did we just hit Asia low on MES? Not sure if my charts are all messed up. TaylorMade says yes. Millie says yes. Sweet. Asia low's way higher. Wait, what? I don't know, guys. Every single chart is like all messed up. The contracts are changing, so.
Let me know if you guys are making money in the chat real quick. I'm gonna do a video for Instagram again. Last one's kind of like buggy for some reason. Put a W in chat if you made money today. A W in chat if you made money. Let me see it. Who made money today? Put a W in chat. Let's go, team. Love to see everybody winning. Absolutely beautiful. Let's go. Appreciate it, guys. What's going on Instagram? If you see your name, go repost it. Actually, I guess you can't repost a story, but
We got Goblin Builder posting L's. What happened, Goblin Builder?
Alright guys, I'm going to get into SPY 677 puts at 135, guys.
Yep, I really like that. It's retesting that that level there.
Yeah, they're actually sitting at 130 right now, so you can get a much better fill than me. Sitting at 125, so everybody should be able to get a good fill than me, guys.
I'll get in those with you. Looks good.
Everybody should be able to get a lower fill. I'm actually looking for this 678.6 to get rejected to the lows back again. So let's see.
King J, it's just the rollover. It didn't actually gap up. It's just the contract rollover.
Nice. There we go. Okay, I'm looking at 145 to 150 trims, guys. That's what I'll be looking at.
Bro, Matthew, you know I'll
Sitting
follow
at
you back, bro.
138, 139 here, guys. I'm looking for us to push below this 677.50. There we go. Nice. 141, guys. Get ready to trim.
Hey, man, tell him to hold that shit to low a day. No, I'm just kidding.
Damn, it did not give us that 145.
I think we're going to low a day, bro. I think we're going to low a day.
Let's see. I don't want to be too greedy with.
I'm actually gonna get in on MES too because we're retesting that low there. I'm not gonna get very heavy though.
Bro, Matthew, DM me so I can find your Instagram, bro. I'll follow any of y'all back on Instagram if you're an OG.
Okay. This did not want to break that low.
Edgar said cat.
Mm,
If you're a lifetime member, you're an OG. Well, damn, I guess we're not going low a day. I tried telling y'all we weren't going to go low a day. What y'all doing, bro? I'm just kidding. Jesse, what giveaway? Wait, Jesse, are you the one that I sent the money, but it, like, came back?
Oh, man, it did not reject that level. Look at that. I'm down 50
yeah,
bucks.
it tried, but it's bouncing back. I'm gonna give this fair value gap in a 5-minute a shot and see if it holds for lows. If it does give me that reject and goes below 678, I'll probably add some more.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we're
Let's
going
see.
lower, honestly. I just don't know. We might have to wait for that control point as well.
Dude, this retest is a little bit too aggressive.
I don't like this 5-minute. That's what I don't like.
Yeah.
I like
Way
the fair
too
value gap that we're trading into, though. But if we inverse it,
Yeah, Top Step is completely shut down, guys.
that's insane.
Hilarious.
It's a giant piece of crap.
There's Jimmy. Jimmy's
What's
trying to
up?
get in.
Yeah, I can't see anything. It's just a pile of garbage.
Yeah, it's black. You were up 2K, V10? No way.
Yo, YouTube family, if you're here watching live, we had a great day today. I mean, we crushed it with our entries, and then the entries we didn't get, but we were close, also crushed it there. Over $1,000 a day. I think it's $1,100 per account of the day. Really, really excited for that. Thank y'all for joining. Thank y'all for watching. I'm going to head out. I'm going to go talk to the Discord and go chill with them and just hang out. If you guys do want to come join, link in the description. You guys can go check it out. You can use code DOLLAR for $1 for your first month inside of my VIP live trading Discord, where I share my screen, go over my entries, just like you're seeing right now every single day. Y'all have a good day, and I'll see all of you guys tomorrow, or not tomorrow morning. It is my anniversary. I will be off for the rest of the week. This is my last day trading of the week, so the rest of the team will be trading live for y'all. Y'all go check it out. Y'all have a good day.
Even.
I think you can short here, but I know it's a little risky. I want that control point first, like for me, but we did reject off that 5-minute fair value gap.
If D can actually flip this 5-minute candle red, bro, this will be huge.
Yeah.
We got 40 seconds though. I know Q's just shine as well, so let's see. All I want to see is 677.70 to get broken again.
Are you still in our
Nice.
puts, man?
Yeah, I added more.
We just rejected off the 90 MA if you guys use
Nice.
that. So
Alright, sitting at break even over here, guys. That's we all should be sitting at break even here.
Yeah, I might just join the party here. I'm gonna go really light with a few MES contracts. We're just gonna do 3 MES.
yeah, that's what I'm in. I'm in 2 right now.
Nice, there we go, guys. Come on. 3
Really,
seconds,
really
the whole
small
team
position
does
for me,
this.
guys. Like really, really small. Just a scalp here. This is not my A+ setup, so I would like to see, for me to be A+, I need to see the control point entry and not this reclaim of the opening range low. But our win already is going to outweigh no matter. We can literally go all the way up to high a day, and we still will be up way more than what we've lost. So do not oversize and be stupid here.
Yeah, agreed.
NQ's at the control point. Yep.
I do not want to see a straight back up there.
Hmm.
I actually just want to see this 5 minutes just reject and go back to the lows, or else this is gonna straight up rally back to the open.
Yeah, I might get out for like $100 loss if we see $100 in red. We'll be up like $900 on the day still for us. So I like this 15-minute though. 15-minute looks really good for downside. Like really good for downside.
Oh baby, come on, let's go,
Yeah, I
let's
agree.
go, guys. This is a reject. Beautiful, beautiful, guys.
Oh
All
well,
right.
Jimmy said he agrees, so I'm doubling down. I'm just kidding.
Wow, they keep buying this this red on the 5. Nice again. Come on, break that.
Back to break even on my shorts.
So
Yeah.
what I'm doing, guys, is
Guys,
go ahead, Amen.
there we go. Oh boy, let's go. Nice.
All right,
Come on,
guys,
baby.
I'm
Let me
targeting
get
the
the
low
trim,
of the
guys.
day. I'm targeting low of day, taking 2 off there, and then I'll take 1 more off
Guys.
at this
There
gap
we
fill from
go.
yesterday.
All right, sold,
There
guys.
we go.
What a ad. Let's go. Yo, 146, guys.
Sold,
Oh
sold,
my
sold.
God. Selling 150 over here, guys. 50, 150.
Oh,
Let's go,
that's
baby.
insane.
Come on.
There
Bring
we
it
go.
over, guys.
I'm holding to low day on these micros, guys. So
Yeah,
if
me
you guys
too,
are in
me
futures,
too.
I'm holding to low.
Me too.
155 over here, guys. Beautiful. Guys, what an ad. 110 ad, guys. Wow.
Dude, those options are crazy.
I just
was
bought one
watching
back,
them.
guys. I just covered one here, guys. Covered one here. Covered
Let's
one
go,
here,
chaps.
guys. Stop loss is getting moved to
Yeah.
right above break even. So
Yo,
Dude,
everybody
the
move your
biggest hype
stops to
man.
break even, guys. Everybody move your stops to
I
break
told
even.
y'all we
Let's
were
bring
going to
out
low a
150
day,
break.
man.
Hey, let's go, chat. There's nobody doing this out there like us, guys. I'm telling you right now.
Let's
The
go.
biggest hype
Nobody.
man, bro.
I love it, dude. I love it. I fucking love it, dude.
Let's go, chat. Bro, the whole team hopped on push. There's no way.
Dude, and then in high roller, me and Jimmy are like, "Oh, let's go. We're up like 30 points. Let's go." And that's all we do.
Dude, that's crazy. Let's
zero
go,
emotion.
chat. That's what I'm talking about. Bro, $1,100 day is insane. 111 ad, bro. I'm so jealous right now. I might be a little bit too
Nice.
pumped up. I just came from the gym, guys. I'm sorry. All right, you have to deal with it.
All
No,
cracked
we
out on
love it.
pre-workout, huh?
We love it.
Sniffed on that white thing.
On that white thingy. That's crazy.
That's
Booger
crazy.
sugar.
Yo,
That's
insane.
crazy.
I'm about to
Nah,
drive
look
to
at me.
Chicago and beat somebody's ass.
Oh, there you go.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Tell him.
You ever win a trade and want to go fight somebody? I mean, come on, dude.
No, he's talking about Top Step because
I'm talking
Oh
about Top
yeah,
Step.
yeah.
HQ is in Chicago.
That's true.
They don't want to see me show up at their door. I can promise you that.
I thought we were still joking about cocaine. I didn't know.
I'm all coked out, so I'm gonna go up there and beat somebody's ass.
I'm taking one more off here, guys. One more is getting taken off there.
Nice.
We'll let this thing
160 over
ride.
here, guys. Let's go. Nice. Good work, guys. Good work. Love to see it.
Yeah,
That's your
Matthew.
second trade, champ?
What did you say, man?
That's your second trade?
Yeah, it's my second trade. Should be my
Love
third,
it.
but I missed my entry on the second one. But this is my second. We're gonna be up
Alright,
huge, bro.
165 over here, guys. I got one last contract, and I'm gonna leave a stop loss at $100 per con flat. So let's see if this goes to like $250 or $300 per con. I can see this
We're
go to the
almost
low.
there to that low, guys. I'm holding one contract till that low. That's it.
Yeah, me too.
Lan, I'm sure. I guarantee they're gonna make this right because people on Twitter are
Oh,
got the
this is
pitchforks and torches out right
yeah,
now.
this one's bad, guys. Like
Yeah.
that's worse than anything.
Insane. Snagaholic, just keep mental stop loss. So I have my phone pulled up right now on my broker, so I can just like mentally sell it whenever I want. Market fill it when it goes to break even.
All right, guys, I gotta take my daughter to school real quick. Do you guys want me to leave up the trade or the data on the stream?
up to you,
Photopia
bro. What would
trade
you like?
Wait,
ticks.
oh,
or
I'm still
trade?
live. I didn't even realize I was still live on here, dude. Everybody saw that shit.
I
Guys,
wish I
that
could do
wake
blue.
up on a 5 minute is us selling, bro. I'm telling you, it's the whole group chat loading those freaking puts, bro.
I'll leave up the data. All right, I'll be right back, guys.
Nice. Still sitting at 150, guys. Come on, if we can see this freaking 676.15, it's gonna be huge on these contracts, guys. We manipulate the market. You know that, bro. The very top of that wick, that 110 ad, guys, was just like beautiful. I'm not even lying to you guys. Like, come on.
Guys, I didn't realize I was still live here on YouTube, but y'all all saw that reaction. That was fucking awesome.
Dude, that's beautiful. That's what we do every single day out here, guys.
We're
Come
still
on,
going to
chat,
we're still going to
note
low a
that.
day though, right, Amen?
I hope it don't chop. I really want to see us
I
like
think so.
just like demolish this low sooner, bro.
Yeah, I think we continue much lower.
Yeah, 677 on SPY breaks. We're about to actually go 100.
All right, I'll stay live on YouTube until this trade gets closed at least. I told YouTube I was leaving, but I didn't press in. I pressed in, but never pressed yes on the "Are you sure?" So
That's all right. They got to see the win.
yeah. Number 2 on the day, 2 for 2, family.
Hey, let's go, my guys, killing it, bro. Guys, we need some members profit. I'm not even lying. Everybody that was on shorts, bro, get on them.
Amen, ain't lying.
We need those members profit. It helps the team, guys. Come on. 5.3K on the weekend. It's only Tuesday, bro. Come on, man. That's wild. I want to be like Julio when I grew up. GG's, guys. GG's.
What actually sucks, Matthew, is they are the best firm, but they just suck. Like they are the best.
I will tell you what separates us from out there is that like everybody over here was into calls, and once the market flipped, nobody was married into one side. We were like completely off that bias, and we just like flipped without no issues.
You know why, man? Because that wave tool, son. That wave
tool, bro. Yeah, you remember when you said that 40 million and me loading off those calls? That's what it is, bro.
Yeah. Dude, we talked about this earlier, dude. We talked about it earlier.
For real, man.
The most reliable prop firm, William. Right now it's probably Alpha on reliability. Alpha or Lucid. Honestly though, was Top Step working if you're not on Project? Oh no, Top Step's only Project X nowadays, right? Is that true? I think Top Step's only Project X, so I guess you can't have it on like Tradeovate.
Right. So in my mind, it's Alpha, Lucid, and Tradeify. Those are the top 3.
Yeah, Tradeify is also a really reliable one. Yeah, I didn't even think about Tradeify. Oh, and then Jimmy also really likes Apex too.
God, they suck. They're the worst.
I saw that coming.
If you know, you know.
Scampex.
XFY. I'd leave that, bro. I don't remember his profit. It's not even funny.
Top Step TV is offline. That's fine. That's because you got tired of people blowing up the chat. I guarantee it.
Yeah, I mean, that's embarrassing to be online if their platform's not even working.
Right.
Like I would be embarrassed for them.
Oh man, for sure.
Like, dude, I know how I feel when Flowtopia is offline, and like Flowtopia ain't shit compared to like the audience of Top Step. So I can't even imagine what a Top Step executive is thinking.
I'd be throwing up if I was them.
Yeah.
Dude, you make everybody switch to your one platform and you can't keep it online for a day ever. As soon as there's high volatility, it goes offline every time. Oh, I agree, B10. Yeah, it's their fault. No argument here. Link, that's hard to say, man.